Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into bespatter. 8 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Spot. Which means mark or become marked with spots. Spot. For example, the velvet was spotted with stains. Number 2. Muddy. Which means cover or fill something with mud. Muddy. For example, the linoleum flooring was muddied. Number 3. Byddorb. Which means smear or daub with a sticky substance. Byddorb. For example, their faces were bedaubed with white paint. Number 4. Begrime. Which means blacken with ingrained dirt. Begrime. For example, her face and hands had been begrimed with a black substance. Number 5. Spatter. Which means cover with drops or spots of something. Spatter. For example, specks of blood spattered his face. Number 6. Fleck. Which means mark or dot with small patches of color or particles of something. Fleck. For example, the minarets are flecked with gold leaf. Number 7. Dirty. Which means make dirty. Dirty. For example, she didn't like him dirtying her nice clean towels. Number 8. Splash. Which means cause liquid to strike or fall on something in irregular drops. Splash. For example, his boots were splashed with mud. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.